Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to disconnect your Clash of Clans account. This process is essential if you wish to link your game to a different Supercell ID or remove an old connection. First, ensure you have access to the email associated with your current Supercell ID, as this will be crucial for verification. The entire procedure will involve interacting directly with the in-game support team, who are equipped to handle such requests securely and efficiently. To begin, open Clash of Clans and navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. From there, select Help and Support, then tap on Contact Us. This will open a chat window where you can clearly state your intention to disconnect your account. Be precise in your request, explaining why you need the account unlinked. The support team will then guide you through the necessary steps. The support team will require specific details to verify your ownership and protect your account. Be prepared to provide your player tag, the approximate date you created the account, your last login date, and any previous devices used to play. Gathering this information beforehand will significantly speed up the process. Patience is key, as support may take a few business days to thoroughly investigate and process your request. Once support has successfully disconnected your account, they will notify you through the in-game chat. You can then proceed to link your game to a new Supercell ID, if that is your goal. Remember to create a strong, unique password for any new Supercell ID to ensure maximum security. This final step ensures your village is safely connected to your desired Supercell account, ready for future adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.